Make sure you like and subscribe to your favorite beer show.
You're checking out a new exclusive
What's the Brew?
What's the brew?
What's the brew?
What's the brew?
What's the brew? Welcome back, y'all, to your favorite beer show.
What's the Brew?
Fresh Coast IPA. Cheers. Only one word can describe this classic brew, and that's succulent. Succulent. Fresh Coast is an IPA lover's dream come true. The flavor notes are tropical fruit, melon, berries, and big balanced hops. Guys, what a time to be alive. Since 2015, Friends and Allies has crafted some of Austin's best brews. Known for their West Coast brewing techniques and Austin flavor. It's no wonder why no one can keep a full glass.
What's the brew? More like, why's the brew?
Message. Hey, how did y'all get in here? What's the brew? My message for you? Never give up. Fresh Coast. Fresh approach. Try and try again, y'all. If something doesn't work out, take a step back and just take a fresh approach. I completely forgot to get what I was. Shout out to Friends and Allies Brewing in beautiful Austin, Texas. And all of my amazing What's the Brew fans, followers, supporters, thank you so much. New episode alert, all new episode next week.